Alright, so we know about the first two ideas in the acronym SPECS: simplify code and practice kindness. Let's talk about the third, which is explain why and with examples. We've found that some of our best reviewers are folks who take the time to explain why they are making the suggestions they are. They also write code snippets and provide working examples to back up their recommendations. Let me give you an example there. A student in one of our Python courses created a class called city and then added a bunch of instance variables like name, latitude, and longitude to that class. This student then created a method called debug inside that class that printed all of the instance variables. The student said that he used this method for debugging purposes. Now, this code was reviewed by Imran Nazir, who is a Udacity code reviewer, and we absolutely love what Imran had to say about this code. Let's go through it together. Imran says that you created a specific method for printing out the internals of an instance. This showed foresight. Well done. So Imran is identifying what the student did well. That is good. He goes on to say that you could also achieve the same thing with the vars function. Now this is interesting. Imran is pointing the student to a website. If we go to that site, we see the documentation for the function vars. Now this function returns the attributes for an instance. This, by the way, is exactly what our student was trying to do with the function they'd written themselves. Okay, let's go back to the review. Imran goes on to say, I've also created a code snippet for you to play with. Here, Imran is using a tool called Gist, which is a simple way to share code snippets. When I visit this page, I see that Imran wrote some code on how to use the vars function. Now this is a really helpful tool for the student to understand the recommendation Imran is making. We find that our best reviewers provide examples to back up the recommendations they are making. Let's see a few more instances of this.